test of the NOAA radio public warning system. Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. Severe
Yep, I think so.
current, relax and float. Don't swim against the current. Variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver. Imperfect working. Warning alarm tone are at the weekend. Where the signal is reliably received, insufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH-26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH-63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WX...
Sorry guys, it said my phone my phone storage is full in the middle of the fucking recording.
Turn to the regular broadcast program. The Orlando International Climate Summary.